Deshay, what are you doing? Deshay, tell me what you're doing. Are you being naughty? Did you play with all the brooms? That's why we have to lock it? Yeah, careful your fingers. Oh no! No! Ah. Oh no! Kitty Mosey's gonna shout. So this is what you do all day, hey? This is what you do. Move from one cupboard to another.